How to fix Rainbow Six Siege not launching, not opening, not loading or not working error? First step, if you are using Steam, open Steam, right click application, click properties, click install file and click verify integrity of the game file. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying your game files. Successfully validate. Move on with next step. Click browse, click BatchLi folder, scroll down, click install BatchLi, click it and wait for some times. Do it for 1 or 2 times, then close it, then move on with next step. Close the Steam, click settings, click system settings, click display settings, move down, click graphics settings, scroll down, click the Rainbow Six. The GPU preference is depends on you. You can set it as depends on your device. And the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it is important settings. And close it. If you're not having means you can click add and add the application. Then move on with next step. Open this PC. You have enough memory space. Make sure it. If you're not having the enough memory space means sometimes the error will occur. Right click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Before that you have enough memory space. Successfully scanned. Close it. The next step, search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters. Update the adapters. You can update by using this method or else you can check the drivers here. After checking, go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. After updating, close it and restart the device. Thank you.